What is going on, everybody? Welcome to SLRP on Patrol. This is a special edition. We are going to court. As you may recall, I am one of the assistant district attorneys, and that's what we're going to be doing for the first little bit of court here. So let's grab a snack real quick, and then we'll get in there and do some attorney stuff. Keep in mind for this, I am not a real attorney. I have some law knowledge, but not a whole lot.
Gentlemen, this case is closed. Like I said, sir, you'll have to post
You,
the fine with the clerk of the court, okay?
Yep, I'd like to pay it right here, Your Honor.
Okay, give me 1 second.
Deputies, sir, you can't throw cash around the courtroom. Sir, you're going to be found in contempt if you don't stop.
Hey, what's up?
Here, let's go to my office.
Believe so. Did you just arrive?
Okie dokie.
Okay, first things first, sir.
Yes.
What's the shirt number for Metro Class A?
Oh, God, I don't know. I have no idea. I don't have a Metro Class A. Yeah.
Yeah, I didn't
Hey,
either.
I heard we just got a subscriber.
Fuck, I got a Polito.
Thank you. Howdy and welcome. Oh, I gotcha. I have no idea. I don't know. Polito Class A's look pretty nice.
Yeah, they do. I like them.
Yeah. All right. Well, let me get squared away here.
Yes, sir.
All right. I'm Assistant District Attorney Justin Pearson. I'll be kind of assisting you along in the case we're going to be hearing today, which is, to be honest with you, I have no idea how it has anything to do with you. We're going to be looking for a dismissal. I'll be attempting to argue a dismissal for several reasons, to include this has nothing to do with the sheriff's office, especially has nothing to do with you. If they want to,
yes, sir.
That's what I'll be pushing for. If they dismiss it, they can refile against the Bolingbroke Penitentiary if they so choose. But as for a case against you and Los Santos County Sheriff's Office, they don't have anything. So that'll be what we're aiming for.
Okay. All right. Sounds good.
Yeah. If the judge denies the dismissal, we'll just try it. We'll get it set over and get a future date.
Okay. All right. Sounds good. So you're just gonna go sit in the courtroom?
Yeah, I've got another case coming up here soon. I think it's a first of its kind, getting a gentleman entered into a diversion program for a dismissal of a case, and he's got some some things to do. But yeah, let's head in there before judge calls me in contempt.
Yeah, I'm gonna go. Yeah, they're doing traffic court first.
Okay, wonderful.
I'm gonna go deal with this uniform issue. If you'll poke me, and let me know.
Yeah,
you know,
no
if I'm
worries.
not in there,
I think
just
our
poke me.
case is at the bottom of the docket.
Yeah, yeah. All right, I appreciate it, sir. Thank you for representing me.
Absolutely.
There he is. Mr. Pearson, step forward. We just called your case.
Excellent, Your Honor. I apologize for the tardiness.
No problem. I know you had a tight schedule today. All right, so I understand this action is coming on for a diversion hearing. Is that correct, Mr. Pearson?
Yes, Your Honor, that is correct.
Okay, the court will hear from you.
Thank you, Your Honor. Let me just get one moment to pull up my notes here. Alrighty, Your Honor. The state and the defense have entered into an agreement. The defendant, George Sandoval, will enter a no contest plea to count 1, which is resisting or obstructing a peace officer. He'll enter into a period of 24 months of diversion. In diversion, the defendant is to enter a note of probation onto his DMV record so that anytime law enforcement comes in contact with him, they know he has certain court requirements. Additionally, he will pay a $100 diversion entry fee due today. He agrees to not possess any firearms, weapons, dangerous animals during the period of diversion. He will be more than welcome to possess such things at the conclusion of diversion. Further, he agrees to not possess or consume any alcohol, narcotics, or illegal prescriptions. Illegal narcotics. Nor will he possess prescription medication without a valid prescription. He does agree that if found in violation of diversion, that the state may show cause him to come in and explain why he's out of compliance with said diversion. At the conclusion of a successful diversion period, the state will move to dismiss the charge and have his plea withdrawn.
Okay, and if he is found to be in violation of these terms at a later date during his diversion period, are we then going to move to trial on all the charges before him?
No, sir. With the no contest plea having been entered, we're just going to move straight forward to sentencing.
Okay, that's what I thought. All right, very good, Mr. Pearson. Anything else to add?
To the best of my knowledge, all parties are in agreement, Your Honor, and that's all I have.
All right, defense, do you have anything to add to this?
Your Honor, the defense agrees with the agreement that was laid out by the state. However, there are a few minor inconsistencies that I would like to address with the court.
Okay, Mr. Loophole, we'll hear from you.
Excuse me, sir, there's no phones in court.
Your Honor, as the state explained, we do agree to the 24-day probation status of Mr. Sandoval faced with the single charge of resisting obstruction. And at the end of this 24-day period that the state will move for dismissal. However, I would like to request the court that at the end of the 24 days that the defendant immediately be placed off of probation if possible, so that way there's not any confusion with law enforcement for the limbo period between the 24 days in addition to the next scheduled hearing for the matter.
Okay, Mr. Pearson, are you in agreement?
The state does not object to that, Your Honor, as long as we don't find that he's in any form of violation at the end of the 24-day period. Immediate dismissal, we have no objection to that. However, we would like to stipulate that if we find that he's in violation, that we have the ability to file that show cause.
Okay, very good. Anything else on Mr. Loophole?
To reply to the state directly, Your Honor, the defense has no objection to the show cause just mentioned. Furthermore, the defendant acknowledges his actions and the need for accountability in this matter. We do fully agree with the terms laid out inside of the agreement, including the diversion program, the 48 hours of community service, the $100 fine, as well as the show cause. Furthermore, we do agree to the restriction on firearms, weapons, and controlled substances, and including alcohol for this matter, and non-prescribed prescription medication. We do thank you for your consideration in this matter, Your Honor.
Absolutely. Let me just look over everything here. All right, everything does seem to be in order. The agreement does seem to meet the statutory guidelines for the diversion agreement for these charges. So the court will accept the plea of no contest to count 1, section 148A of our penal code, resisting and obstructing a peace officer, but such plea is held.
Looks like we're getting
in
a
the diversion
successful
agreement and will
entry
not
into
formally
diversion.
be
This is the
entered
first this has ever
unless an
happened
order
to my
show
knowledge
cause is
within
held and
the
we find that the
SLRP
defendant has
community.
violated the diversion agreement. The agreement is approved. Thank you, gentlemen.
Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you, Mr. Loophole.
Mr. Loophole, do you know if Mr. Bradford has made it to the court yet?
Your Honor, I have no knowledge of his appearance in the court at this time.
Okay. I believe he does need a few more minutes to get here, and his cases are next on the docket, so the court will stand in recess at this time.
Did you text me?
Yeah, I didn't know that was you or not.
Oh, no, that is.
Like, you know, dressed up. Oh shit. Yeah, come to court or club.
Excuse you.
Damn.
Wow. Uh-huh.
Let's talk over here. I'm Mr. Pearson.
Yes, this is Grace.
All right, so, oh, I was just saying hi.
Do I want
Oh, I'm so
I'm
sorry.
sorry,
I
I
thought you
wasn't
said
trying to call
you
you over.
too, Mr. Pearson. I was like, what the fuck did I do? Okay.
Oh, no.
All right,
No, I
John.
just said hi.
All right.
Sorry about that.
Sure.
Okay, so everything went as expected.
Deputy Adams.
So you are fully aware of your obligations.
Oh, okay.
We can
Yeah, I can swing back there.
discuss later about the 48 hours of community service. You're required to pay the $100 fine to the clerk.
Yeah, but that ungodly.
And after that,
Clerk exactly.
No, actually, yes. I'm gonna go with the
they're
uniform on.
right over there at that desk.
No, uniform. You look fine. Except,
So not an actual.
Well,
man, you look like
Gotcha.
like you got the slap.
Okay.
I don't know. I don't think so.
Well, I mean, I mean, I
But
thought she
anyway,
said a pawn shop for $5.
Went, that went about as expected. So
Where I just somebody booking up those staircases.
yeah, they got offices up there.
Would you go do your thing and come back to court? Fine. You're good.
Alright. I'm actually planning on sticking around. I heard about two cases, man. It's gonna be interesting because one of them's against FD, so that should be interesting.
I have 6 more.
Please coffee at least, you know.
Yeah, that was the first one. I have 6 more. I was a little bit nervous, but thankfully that was an easy one. So
Yeah, it was fairly simple. I was like, oh
Can I ask you a
crap,
question?
what's gonna happen?
yeah.
I may or may not have an answer.
Oh, I just got word that they'll somebody will come and give you the details of the fine.
Yep, I got it for you right here.
Yeah. Sorry, I wasn't fully aware of how all that worked, but it seems like the clerk can settle it nice and easy, so we're all good.
So what do I need to do? Exactly. Oh,
Yep, there you go. Did you get that taken care of at your earliest convenience? Thank you very much.
thank you.
No, not looking homeless at all. No.
Who's running it? Do you know?
Yeah, starting with this.
Is he still in there? Do you know?
Dignity and
I would say if you were walking down the street, I would not take you as a homeless person, but I would take you home.
Yeah, I tried to talk to him a few times. And
okay.
I meant like people would want to take you home.
If you know any people,
Yeah.
if you know any people who want
you
to know
okay?
that you
You
just
keep,
got a
like,
felony and a misdemeanor drop,
Turn
on
around in
the audio
circles.
loophole.
You
Yeah,
trying to
sure.
lie down somewhere? Like, what are you?
You're not under the influence or anything, are you? I
What are you
wish.
doing? You just kind of like doing.
We.
Oh, she's just so much to look at. It's just, oh my god, squirrel. Like, what's? Are you okay?
It's not, you know, I'm just very fidgety. You can't.
It's like a merry-go-round.
You're fucking making me tired.
Just can't stand still. I got that ADHD or ADD or however you say it.
I used to have those blocks as a kid. Remember? I couldn't afford the whole alphabet,
Yeah.
just the A and the D's. That was it.
Just the A, but you, okay.
tell you, I was mind blown. Just blown when I figured out there was a C. Oh my god.
Did that FD guy go outside?
Yeah, one of them did. Is there? Did you go outside?
Yeah, I'll turn around and come back
in.
in.
Need to research you really quick.
Yeah,
You want to stand over here?
yeah, just took my dip out.
Don't turn around, Irish.
Oh.
Irish, get in the corner.
And then
Get in the corner.
I'm gonna go check that guy in purple too.
Do I have to go off to the
Look
portal?
at the.
All right, you're all
look at
good.
the portrait.
Oh, thank you.
Stop
Sorry.
it, someone listening in.
I mean, not even.
That's a nice.
Yeah,
It's
not
a,
much.
you know, really, this picture just
Yeah,
really
are
brings
you-
out
are you
like,
gonna
the
go-
loneliness of my soul.
Do whatever you do.
Yeah, I like how they stack the blocks on that one. Right there.
Yeah, that was.
Okay.
Excuse me, sir.
It's magical.
Yeah, let's search the walk in.
It's very phallic in nature.
What case number are they on?
Like,
It's a nice
traffic?
bench too, like fantastic
I'm
woodworking.
not sure, but ma'am, have you been searched
Oh, yeah.
yet?
No, I just got here, but I feel a little late.
Whereabouts?
All right. Well, would you have search you? I'm gonna first give it the back of my hand. All right.
Okay. Don't get too handsy, okay?
You're all good.
One guy went into court.
Oh.
I don't know. You'll
Oh
go
yeah,
up if
you'll
they call you.
yeah, you'll have to give a speech and everything.
Yeah.
Yeah, just you know, make sure
Did
they
you
can
not-
understand what you're saying.
I hope you were in an improv club or something.
Oh no, he's good. He knows what happened.
He's got it, he's got it. Is it starting now?
Yeah, I think we should probably go back inside.
Hey,
Hey, what's up?
you still wear that American flag pin?
Oh, yeah.
You look like a politician on a summer vacation.
Oh, well, you know what? It's because I'm trying to stand up and protect this great country from these dirty criminals. Okay?
Yeah, save it for the campaign.
Yeah, fair enough. Have you seen Bradford?
No, I haven't seen him. I have 2 cases with him.
Okay. They're asking if they've called up a private law office and just asked someone to stand in for him. I think his name is Zane. Last of Zane. I think he's gonna be coming in shortly to. He might just be asking for a continuance in most of these cases, though.
Oh, okay.
My cowboy hat, aviator.
Well, I got him prepped just in case. Yeah, I have 2 with him.
Yeah, so I think Mr. Zane is reviewing all the current open case files right now.
Yeah, I have 2 with him, and then I have let's see. No, that's it. How many do you have?
I had the 1 diversion entry with you, and then I've got another matter at the end of the docket.
Hey, are we good to go back in the courtroom? I just seen some people go back in.
I was changing in another room, but I think I'm assuming it's back in session since everybody went in. You can go check
Yeah, if
that.
you'll excuse me, I'm heading to my office for a little bit, and I'll see if Mr.
Yeah.
Zane's on his way in.
Yeah, I gotta get in there, so
All right.
he's gonna be looking for me.
Okay, sounds good.
All right, good luck, man. Oh, did you win your last one?
Not a win per se. He did enter diversion successfully though, so we'll throw that out as long as he doesn't screw up.
Ah, okay, gotcha. Alrighty.
All right.
See you in the flip-flop.
No, it's gonna be my third down tonight. You guys didn't even buy me a coffee.
You got anything I'll poke me, stick me, stab me?
Yeah, we gotta have something to poke you, but it's a problem.
Yes, Your Honor.
There you are. Please step forward. And I know Mr. Bradford had a conflict. Who will be standing in for Mr. Bradford today?
Your Honor, my name is Raylan Zane. I'll be standing in for Mr. Bradford.
All right, specially appearing in the matter. Very good. All right, Mr. Giltyson, you may proceed.
Firstly, apologies for my tardiness, Your Honor. We're having quite a busy day at the DA's office today. Your Honor, we're gathered here for the matter of 0075. We gather here today the importance of this case for the state being the well-being and safety of our citizens. The state of San Andreas takes its duty to protect its inhabitants as well as its citizens seriously, and in this spirit I stand before you today representing the state in this matter. In the case of Raymond Fitzgerald, the state acted in accordance with its inherent responsibility to safeguard the lives and welfare of both the plaintiff as well as the broader community, as well as our law enforcement personnel and other first responders, which I have laid out in detail inside of my response to the complaint. Furthermore, I feel it's crucial to note that the plaintiff, despite a prior diagnosis of bipolar disorder and other medical conditions by the Los Santos Fire Department, chose to discontinue prescribed medication, again, as I laid out inside of my response. This did unfortunately add a layer of complexity to an already delicate situation, and we feel that law enforcement acted within their due diligence. And apologies, just flipping through my notes here. The state further feels that law enforcement operated within the boundaries of the relevant state laws and procedures where applicable for this current situation. We feel that the commitment of Mr. Fitzgerald was a step undertaken with great care, given the situation, driven by the imperative to ensure not only his safety, but the safety of those around him. Your Honor, we request that you review the state's response to the complaint carefully, and upon careful consideration of the evidence and the law, we feel that you'll find that the state has acted in the best interest of its citizens and the plaintiff in this matter.
Okay, and how long is the state requesting the gentleman be committed for at this time?
Your Honor, I believe the duration of the confinement is laid out inside the report. However, due to the situation, the state is not looking for any form of extended stay inside of the facility at this time.
Okay, so the state is prepared to have him released from the institution once the doctors say he's ready.
Yes, Your Honor, at this time. We're not arguing further confinement than what was already laid out inside of, again, the reports from law enforcement for this particular matter, as well as obviously the opinion of the doctors that are on site.
Okay, very good. You may be seated. All right, opposing counsel, we'll hear from you.
Thank you, Your Honor. I'm still taking a look at a couple of notes here. Unfortunately, as an attorney standing in here, I'm not privy to all information in this matter.
Of course.
So that being said, on my client's behalf, what I am just going to request for is his immediate release. Unfortunately, like I said, not privy to all information at this time. From what I've reviewed, though, I don't believe that an extended commitment is going to be in his best interest, so I request he be released.
Okay, I do understand he was violent with first responders. Have doctors there at the institution gotten to the bottom of that and got him back on track?
At this time, I don't have that information handy, Your Honor.
Okay, Mr. Giltyson, are you aware?
I apologize, Your Honor. May you further clarify?
Are you aware, have doctors gotten his situation under control? Is he no longer violent? I know he was violent with first responders previously.
The state is aware of his prior aggression to first responders, which is part of the reason why we feel that this confinement is not. I apologize. Let me rephrase. Which is part of the reason why we feel that this confinement is in the best interest of the plaintiff. We feel that the plaintiff's aggression, and this is stemming from a legal standpoint, obviously not a medical. His behavior towards law enforcement is certainly an aspect of the state's recommendation in this matter. However, I've not made further discovery into the current medical reports of the plaintiff due to the ongoing litigation. If the court does require this, I can make a motion for discovery and return at a further time with updated information. However, again, the state would like to coordinate with the advice of medical personnel because I feel they would best be advised to the situation.
Okay, I know you previously stated you don't oppose him being released. Do you need to speak with medical doctors at the facility before continuing with that?
Your Honor, I feel that the medical personnel inside the facility will make the most educated opinion as to the plaintiff's current status. If aggression is part of the reason why, if they feel that the plaintiff should be contained for a longer duration of time than what's recommended, then the state would like to then follow the advice of medical personnel at this time. However, I just don't have any specific information for you. Again, if it is required by the court, I can make a discovery motion.
Okay. Well, it sounds like we should continue this matter until we have those physician reports. Would you agree?
Defense does not object to that, Your Honor.
All right. Mr. Giltyson, you're in agreement?
Yes, Your Honor, no objections.
Okay, without objection, this matter is continued to our next court date. All right, it looks like the next cases on the docket are for Judge Cortez. He's in the back office. Just give us 1 minute, folks. No need for a formal recess. I'll grab him.
Your Honor.
Yes.
Just in full disclosure and transparency, as well as to give coverage counsel a little bit of time, as well as myself, to finalize the paperwork for this matter, the state would like to request a 5-minute recess, if possible, from the court.
Okay, it's so ordered. The court will stand in 5-minute recess.
All rise. Court is now in a 5-minute recess.
You owe me one.
Fair enough. Did you get an office around here or anything?
Yeah, do you need to use it?
Oh, I figured we could go chat real quick.
Yeah, no problem. All right, have a seat. This is technically, geez, I'm going off of names today.
Trying to see. Do you know which case would be called next? I didn't get a formal docket.
Yeah. Are you covering all of Bradford's cases today, or just this next one?
Unless
Okay.
he shows up.
All right, next one is 0032.
Wait a second, look at some case notes.
And then after that, there's 2 more cases. And then after that is Bradford's in a case with Pearson, and this is technically Pearson's office, but most of my shit isn't moved out of it, so I'm using it.
I thought Pearson had the next office over, or did you moved upstairs, didn't you?
I technically moved upstairs, but half my shit is still in here, so I'm just using it for now. Yeah.
All right. Okay. Well, I can tell you, I've actually followed this. What would you say, 0032? I've followed this case pretty closely. I'm ready to make arguments on it. I can make a stance, but I'm not sure if I'm the right one that's ready to try this case. Is there any form of, I mean, can we talk settlement?
Oh Jesus.
Yeah, I mean,
I don't think we can.
I'm willing to make an on-the-fly settlement
early on.
Okay. What were you wanting to do with this? What were you prepared to go forward for today? Is this just a pre-trial conference, or were you guys ready to try the case?
I think Bradford was ready to try the case. I don't have any settlement options on docket, so let's go ahead and get this over with. I have arguments. If you're ready to argue the case and you don't need to continue it, then I'm willing to argue it. Just keep in mind that Lieutenant Gardner is present in the court today, so you might need to have cross-examination. Although I'm unaware of any other witnesses that have been subpoenaed. If they do, I won't have any questions for them personally. So,
in my opinion, there were other witnesses that certainly should have been subpoenaed. So again, I don't think this case is ready to try if we're missing other witnesses. I know there was a sheriff's office helicopter pilot. I believe there's 1 to 2 other deputies that were just arriving to scene. The
only witness I subpoenaed was Mr. Gardner. Due to the situation, obviously the criminal in that case, or I say criminal, God, the other party that turned out to be the criminal, Chris Lamont, he's unavailable as far as I'm aware. If you're looking for more, hold on, give me a second, actually. Sorry, I'm getting emails left and right here. It's kind of a busy night. I'm sure you already took the brunt of it.
Yeah, I know.
It sounds like it's just this one after this, and then they have another guy filling in. Loophole?
Oh, okay.
Leo Loophole?
Yeah, I'm familiar with him. I've seen him in court a couple times.
Let me see here. Okay, so do you have a copy of the state's response to the complaint?
Yes, I reviewed that.
Okay. Are you going to want to make a response to that?
Give me 1 second here. You can't say I got my phone held down here by my waist. I'm actually chatting with that plaintiff right now.
Oh, you're talking to the plaintiff?
Yeah, I'm talking with Mr. Johnson here. And actually, it sounds like... give me 1 second. I think I've got an answer for you. Let's see. Like I said, I have had a chance to thoroughly review this. I actually consulted with the plaintiff prior to him picking up a public defender. He's typing. Types a lot.
Yeah, we're a little bit disorganized today. I mean, we're doing the best we can, I feel like, but you know.
Yeah, no, absolutely. And you said you don't think you're in any position to try and settle this, even if we came at you with a relatively low monetary value with a agreement to admitting no guilt.
So even if you make me an offer right now, I have to run it through coverage. So I don't have the sole authority to agree to settlements. Even if we have a verbal agreement, I have to run it through the representative with the police department. So if you want to file for continuance, I won't oppose it. Just so that way you can get a settlement offer going, because I'll be interested in settling this thing.
Okay.
If obviously, because they have to review the case and they'll tell me if they want to take it to trial or not, and obviously I'll tell you. But if you can make it a low monetary value, then we'll run through it. But if you want to argue the case, I can also do that. It's entirely up to you. I just spoke with my colleague, and they said that a continuance would be fair given a last minute appearance like yourself.
Okay.
The only thing that actually, never mind. No, that doesn't matter.
Okay.
So what do you want to do?
Go ahead and get that continued.
Okay.
He had an opinion on it, but if you're willing to look into a settlement rather than trying to force this thing through trial, I'll get with Mr. Bradford and I'll see if him and I can't come up with an agreement. Pursue.
His case, I know his caseload is so full. I'm sure he can appreciate the help.
Yeah, absolutely. I can just be honest with you. I think we're going to look for $50,000.
Okay. What does the plaintiff want to do?
He is willing to settle. He's
Gotcha.
not entirely hung up, per se, on the finances behind it. His real desire is to have this done behind him. He's tired of coming to court. He's tired of having to deal with attorneys. He's not the biggest fan of the court system, even though he's not a defendant. So
right.
He really just wants to be done with this. He would prefer for it to be done today.
I don't think that can happen unless we argue it.
Okay. And yeah, it wouldn't be fair for me to represent him without a full knowledge and all the prepared documents that Mr. Bradford has. I'm not willing to, though I have extensive history, I'm not willing to proceed without consulting with him.
Tell him, I'm sure you can appear by attorney next time if you really want to. You just have to file a motion with the court.
Yeah, certainly. We'll do that.
I would actually tell the judge that inside the court here today, that next time, for full disclosure, we plan on filing a motion to appear by attorney because the plaintiff wishes not to be here. You can make something up, I'm sure.
Oh, yeah, absolutely.
All right. I think we better get back there. I think we used up all our time.
Yeah, fair enough. I appreciate your time.
Likewise. I'm ready to get this thing settled.
Certainly.
Hey, sorry, I was using your office. I still have half my paperwork in it, so.
650. All rise for the Honorable Judge Delfino Cortez. You may be seated.
No, keep going, Carl. Go all the way down. There you go.
All right. The next on the docket is civil case 0032 William Johnson versus Los Santos County. Do we have Mr. Guilty Son here?
Present, Your Honor.
Okay, and then who is representing Mr. Johnson?
That'll be me, Your Honor. I am Raylan Zane. With
Mr. Zane?
Yes, sir, with Zane Ross and Associates.
Alrighty, sir. Mr. Guilty Son, I'll hear from you first on the matter.
Thank you, Your Honor. Your Honor, firstly, I would like to apologize for the confusion in terms of coverage counsel. Mr. Zane and I have
another subscription.
discussed
Y'all
this
are
matter
too good to me.
in my
Howdy.
office just now, and I'm sure you can understand that when it comes to coverage counsel this last minute.
Yes, I plan to be on
things
tonight. We're going to finish up
could
court.
go a little bit
Sorry, I think he's
smoother.
probably pretty loud in the background there. I'm going to be on for the
However,
rest
I
of
believe
court, working as an attorney, and
we
then
have
we'll be
come
out
to
there
the
working as a sheriff's
agreement
deputy.
privately today that the defense would like to file a motion for continuance on this matter following witnesses as well as extra time to discuss possible settlement. Ideally, from the state's point of view, we would like to settle this matter outside of the court to avoid further resources utilized.
Okay, and sorry, what was your name again?
Raylan Zane, Your Honor.
And Mr. Zane, what do you have to say to this?
So that is correct, Your Honor. I'm standing in last minute for Mr. Bradford. While I do actually have decent knowledge of this case, I believe that a settlement may be a significantly better resolution than proceeding to trial today on this matter. So therefore, I am asking for a continuance in this matter to attempt to settle with the state.
Okay, if both parties are in agreement for the settlement, well, we will have a continuation for the next court date. All right, that is all. Unless if Mr. Guilty Son, you have anything else to add?
Nothing further, Your Honor.
All right. Mr. Johnson, you may go ahead and leave for the time being, as I believe you two are still here for the next court ticket.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor.
I'll be in contact with you.
Yep.
I see that the next court case is another civil case, being 0031 Long versus Los Santos County. And do we have Mr. Loophole here today? Or is he in the back somewhere?
I believe he's in the back, Your Honor.
Okay. If there needs to be time to go gather them, that is fine.
I'll go flag him down, Your Honor. I believe I saw him out in the lobby.
Alrighty.
Did they need Mr. Pearson to come back down for this?
Jesus, no, this is White. You're actually representing the ADA.
Wait, run that by me again?
Long versus LSC.
Yeah, I've got that one. So, your defense, right?
I sure as hell hope so.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Yep. Let me go see if Mr. Pearson's available.
Let me. I'm going back. I'm going back in.
Is that Mr. Pearson?
Yes, sir, it is.
Perfect. Right, you can make your way right into the courtroom. You've been searched already?
Yes, I have. Thank you.
Perfect. Yep. You're on.
Yes, Your Honor.
You may proceed, ma'am. Is that you, Mr. Pearson?
Yes, Your Honor.
Alrighty. You guys may take your seats. Mr. Loophole, I'll hear from you first on the matter.
Firstly, apologies for the delay, Your Honor. I was fighting with the vending machine outside, but Your Honor, I'm representing the defendant in this matter, Rebecca Long. Unfortunately, on the night of August 23rd, 2023, and or around 22:53 hours, this matter involving a unfortunate motor vehicle accident took place involving my client as well as a member of the police department, I believe activating his metro inside of Los Santos. I have submitted 3 separate exhibits for this matter for the state to consider. One of which, Exhibit A, is a police report, Exhibit B is a medical report, and Exhibit C are the hospital bills. Now, I was able to come to a settlement agreement on this matter, and the terms of the agreement are as follows. Reimbursement for medical costs incurred at $1,051. I'm sorry, $1,051,500, and this is further outlined in Exhibit C inside of the complaint. Punitive damages at $75,000, and then compensatory damages also at $75,000 for a total of $301,000. This settlement agreement was signed by Assistant District Attorney Blaine White at our negotiations, and I am entering the settlement agreement into the courtroom in order for the judge to review.
Okay. I'm looking through this. And do you have proof? Because I have you also submitted these medical reports from Miss Long as well that I can see.
Yes, Your Honor. These medical reports were from the Pillbox Medical Center where Miss Long was taken to. That would be Exhibit C, strictly the complaint. And the reason why I included that was strictly due to the medical costs incurred in this matter.
Okay. I'm also referring to the medical bill receipt that's also in here. And then as far as for the punitive damages, and I believe, what was it, collateral is the other one, or compensatory?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, and as far as, because she was involved in an accident, correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Do you have any proof that this medical receipt that I'm seeing here is not due to the accident itself or the medication?
Your Honor, if I may.
You may.
Standing in for ADA White, we have already stipulated to the bills being, we've already stipulated to the agreement, and that the Los Angeles County Fire Department will be accepting these findings. We have not requested they present any additional evidence as such, so we are requesting that the settlement be approved, as we've already stipulated behind closed doors.
Your Honor.
Yes, go ahead, Mr. Luzol.
I apologize for interrupting, Your Honor. Just to answer your question that you asked. The medical costs incurred were a direct response to complications by the treatment of medical personnel as outlined inside of the initial complaint, further analyzed in Exhibit B. Inside of Exhibit C, the code for the medication M210-3. I'm sorry, I'm not medical personnel, so I'm not going to try to pronounce it, but it's, again, the one code of M210-3 is the direct, how do I say this? The counteracting of the prescription medication that was given by medical personnel due to the influence of alcohol into the system. However, the entire exhibit is just the medical costs incurred total from the accident as well as the complications. If the court requires the complications split up, I would have to request a doctor's note from Dr. D. Mencha, who was the acting physician for Miss Long in this matter.
Okay, because we are here for the medication that was provided by the fire department, correct?
Yes, Your Honor. Unfortunately, the accident did occur, and we're not disputing any of the facts regarding the accident. However, unfortunately, my client needed an expedited response to the medical center because she had immediate complications with the medicine on scene due to the alcohol inside of their system, which is further outlined in Exhibit A.
Okay, and then the reason for the punitive damages, did you find anything with the fire department as far as miscellaneous or the intent to cause harm to Miss Long?
I apologize. Are you referring to the punitive damages or the compensatory damages?
The punitive damages.
Your Honor, the defense argues that the punitive damages, even though the defense argues that negligence was administered because the medicine directly counteracted with the alcohol in their system. My client was found to have an elevated blood alcohol content inside of their system before the medicine was administered that can have complications with alcohol. So this is also laid out inside of the complaint, Your Honor, but we feel that EMS personnel failed to perform a comprehensive assessment at the time, and therefore we are arguing punitive damages in the amount of $75,000 as a deterrent against future misconduct.
Okay. Let me just review this one more time. I'm looking for malicious on behalf of the fire department. Give me a second while I read through these.
in my fairly limited court experience, when both parties stipulate to an agreement, usually the judge doesn't look any further into it, and in my opinion in this matter, because we both stipulated and signed an agreement, both the state and defense, then this should just be accepted, but we'll see.
Mr. Guilty Son. Mr. Guilty Son, can you hear me?
Your Honor, I believe Mr. Guilty Son's in his office.
Oh, I'm sorry, Mr. Loophole. I have terrible memory.
Yes, Your Honor.
While looking through this, I don't see any malicious or anything that could fall under the punitive damages, but I am willing to grant the medical reimbursement and compensatory damages. Is there any objections on your part, or would you have a continuance, or do you need some time to talk to Miss Long?
I would like to refer to my client before moving forward with this matter, Your Honor. I apologize. We were having a few issues getting the settlement set up to begin with, and there may be some communication issues. However, if the court does require continuance in this matter for further evaluation, then I have no objections.
Like I said, if you would like to continue for this, but I am willing to have the settlement pay for the medical reimbursements and the compensatory damages only, not the punitive damages.
Your Honor, I would like to request a continuance in this matter so that we can reevaluate the punitive damages with the state. In addition, I would like to request a copy of the court minutes from the clerk so that way we can have an accurate account of this matter, discussing strictly the punitive damages and not the reimbursement for medical costs and the compensatory damages.
Okay. And Mr. Pearson, do you have anything else you would like to add?
No, Your Honor, the state doesn't have anything additional.
Okay. We'll have a continuance on 0031 Long versus Los Santos County. And we'll move on to the next case.
Am I good to go, Lou?
Yes, you're good to go. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
You are good to go, Miss Long.
Thank you, Your Honor.
The next case will be a criminal case 0072 San Andreas versus DeMarcus Jones. Mr. Loophole, I see that you're here, and Mr. Pearson, I also see that you are here. Is Mr. Jones here?
Yes, sir.
You may proceed, Mr. Jones. Mr. Loophole, I'll hear from your side first.
Thank you, Your Honor. The background of this case, my client, DeMarcus Q. Jones, was originally charged with 3 separate instances. One is Penal Code Chapter 3, subsection 187.1a, is attempted murder as a felony. Second is Penal Code Chapter 3, subsection 240, assault, which is a misdemeanor. And finally, the final charge is Penal Code Chapter 5, subsection 487, grand theft, which is a felony. Originally, the defense counsel filed a motion to dismiss in this matter. However, I was put in contact with Mr. White, who was originally the defense attorney for the state. I apologize, the assistant district attorney for the state in this matter. The prosecution did initially oppose our motion to dismiss. However, we were able to come to talks in terms of a settlement agreement. Again, we would like to emphasize the importance of the victim's account in this matter that was outlined in the motion to dismiss. However, the details of the settlement agreement are as follows. To this plea agreement, the charge of Chapter 3 of the Penal Code 1871A, attempted murder, shall be dismissed. Furthermore, the charge of Penal Code Chapter 5, 487, grand theft, shall also be dismissed under the agreement. And finally, the charge of Chapter 3240, which is a misdemeanor assault, shall remain. And if the agreement goes through the court and is accepted today, we will not dispute this matter any further.
Okay. Mr. Pearson, do you have anything to add?
Your Honor, if I could sidebar with defense counsel for just a quick moment.
That is completely fine.
Thank you, Your Honor. Step out in the hallway real quick.
Yep. What's up?
Sentencing. He's not gonna oppose the misdemeanor. What were you guys planning to do for sentencing? I can make a quick recommendation.
He already went to jail. I was going to argue time served. But if you want to put him on probation for...
I would love to do a probation term.
I'm sure you would.
I know. Assault, I mean, I'm thinking 30 days.
It was more mutual combat than assault. I was going to argue it down, but the plea agreement, we were already settling it at that point.
20 days probation. Suspend imposition of sentence. Consider that time served for any additional jail time I would have recommended. Just do 20 days probation.
Okay. 20 days probation, but shrink the original charge so that way I don't have to confer with the defendant on that. If you can let the court know that the original charge will be replaced with the 20 days probation and credit for time served already with what's going on here, because he was already put in jail for this.
Right, so he'll still plead. Are you guys doing guilty or no contest? Do you care?
I believe it's going to be guilty.
Okay.
For the charge of misdemeanor assault in this matter.
So you're pleading guilty, misdemeanor assault, and then I'll just put a recommendation for 20 days probation, no additional jail.
Fine kept at 100 if you can. I believe the misdemeanor assault is up to $2,000.
Okay, yeah, well, okay. So also, I will suggest to them 20 days probation, $100 fine, nothing further.
Yeah, and that's replacement. That's replacement of the misdemeanor jail time, just so that way the client knows.
Yeah, right. No additional jail sentence suggested.
Okay.
Okay.
Yep, that works.
Perfect. Let's do
Cool.
it. Thanks, sir.
Thanks.
Your Honor, thank you very much for allowing us to have a conversation. The District Attorney's Office is going to recommend the following sentence. Place the defendant on 20 days of probation to be indicated in his DMV file. Anytime he comes in contact with law enforcement, it should show that he's on probation. Additionally, we're requesting the imposition of a $100 fine. No additional jail time in this matter.
Okay. And the defendant is on agreement with this? Correct?
Defense counsel did not oppose that. That was an agreement we came to during negotiations.
Okay. And then what were to happen if you were to violate his parole?
The state would just file a show cause for violation of probation, and then we would just kind of go from there, Your Honor. It's all going to be very circumstantial, but essentially we would have him brought back into court and move forward with having him either admit or deny the allegations. If he's found in violation, we're going to be seeking a jail sentence.
If the defendant is on agreement with this, I'm willing to accept the plea agreement and the probation.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. So here we have an agreement of Mr. Jones' plea agreement deal, and then the additional, you stated 20, correct, Mr. Pearson?
Yes, Your Honor. 20 days probation.
Okay. Right here, and all right, if both parties agree, we are done with this case, and we'll move on to the next one. Mr. Jones, you are free to go.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You fucking kidding me? He's gonna try and kill me, and that's all he's gonna get.
Mr. Pearson, I see that you're representing San Andreas for criminal case 0072.
Apologies, Your Honor. Can you repeat that?
Oh, hold on. Mr. Pearson, I see you're representing civil case 0028 Vasquez, correct?
Yes, Your Honor. That is correct.
Well, I'm in Los Santos County, and then I believe who is going to be stepping in for Mr. Bradford for today.
Your Honor, Leo Luke will be stepping in for Mr. Bradford in this matter.
Okay. And you'll be standing in for Mr. Vasquez. Oh, sorry, I got those backwards. Mr. Pearson, I'll hear from you on this side of the matter first.
Thank you, Your Honor. State moves to dismiss this claim against... it's currently open, and the claim is against former detective, now Corporal John Gates. After reviewing all documentation pertaining to this case, I don't believe that Detective Gates is liable for any of the damages, so therefore we request this case be dismissed with prejudice.
Okay, and how does the defense plea? You may step up, Mr. Loophole.
Thank you, Your Honor. Unfortunately, the plaintiff is going to request a motion for continuance on this matter due to preparation of affidavits, as well as I believe that Mr. Bradford is still working on some witness subpoenas. There's a little bit of a conflict with that in terms of communication. However, we would like to request continuance from the court in this matter, just that way the plaintiff can have proper counsel and we can have proper witnesses to call up to.
The state does object, Your Honor.
Reason?
Again, there is not enough evidence to actually pursue a case against Detective Gates in this matter.
Your Honor, part of the reason why the plaintiff is requesting continuance is so that way the proper affidavits can be filed, in addition to additional evidence in this matter, Your Honor, as well as the plaintiff can have proper counsel due to the coverage counsel situation. We feel that if the court can grant a motion for continuance, we can bring further information to this court in the form of a notice or whatever the court requires prior to a hearing.
I will grant the continuance to the next court date. That will be for civil case. Hold on.
Uh, 0028, Your Honor.
Yes, for civil case 0028, Vasquez versus Santos County will have a continuance for the next court date. I believe that is all for the docket today.
Thank you,
Court
Your Honor.
will be dismissed. Gentlemen, have a good day.
All right.
You want to talk in your office?
Yeah, sure thing. Yeah, I'm still pretty comfortable down here in this office number 2, but...
Yeah, fuck it, why not?
Alright.
I still need to work on all that. Hello, sir.
That was a bit of a surprise.
A little bit. Keep in mind, Corporal, we are in the presence of defense counsel here.
I can leave if you require.
I'm going to work, sir. We're good. We can talk later.
Yeah, not a problem.
No, you're fine. You're fine, sir.
Feel free to shoot me an email if you'd like.
Yeah, no problem at all, sir. Appreciate it.
Not a problem. Thank you, Corporal.
Good day.
Oh, what a shit show.
Oh my fucking god, that was horrible. Oh my
Good
God.
lord.
We fucked up big time.
Oh, yeah, no, that was... Jeez, I gotta get... God. Well.
Yeah, we fucked that one up big time, man.
It could have been a lot worse.
This was not how I was hoping to feel after this.
I don't blame you. I don't blame you at all. But,
Motherfucker. I can't believe the judge rejected Section B of the settlement when it was already signed by the fucking idiot.
No, that actually irritates me. We both stipulated to it. Whether I would have personally agreed with it or not, the DA's office signed off. That's it. It should have been granted.
No, I'm gonna file a motion to... that was a shit show. I feel like if we... Alright, so 2-8, I filed a motion for continuance because I didn't know any details about the case. Like, as soon as it got handed to Kyle, I'm like, fuck it.
No, you should definitely take a look at the details of that case.
Well, I mean, I'm like, fuck it, I'll let Damien deal with it next time, you know?
Oh, for sure.
And then you're like, I object. I'm like, what the fuck?
I mean, no, you should
cool.
You should really, really look at the information. It has nothing to do with gates. It has everything to do with Bolingbroke Penitentiary, which I object to no matter what, because first of all, it's a state prison. That's not my problem.
Sure.
But
Sure, yeah.
yeah, honestly, I take the time to review that case, whether you're assigned to it or not. I think I think that gosh dang it, I can't remember my colleague's name here at the DA's office. Mr. Giltyson would agree that that case needs to be thrown right out.
Well, I'm just thinking, like, shit, I'm here for defense. Let's keep this thing going. Like, that's all.
Yeah,
Oh,
well,
God.
yeah, I can't blame you for doing exactly what's in your client's best interest.
Literally on every case except the traffic one I was in.
Yeah, no, same.
I think I fucked it up big time.
That's all right.
Damn it.
Mr. White and Mr.
Did we mess up?
No, should be here. Oh no, we did great.
Fuck, now we're gonna be a laughing stock, dude.
Oh, I just work here, man. They can fire me if they want to. No, I think that we came to a really good agreement on I know that the victim was not very happy regarding the outcome of the Jones case, but to hell with him. I think it's a fine resolution. Same thing for the diversion agreement. I think that was an excellent resolution. I think it's the first time that's ever happened within this court. So, hopefully we can see a lot more.
It's a first for a lot of shit.
Yeah. Well, I hope we can see a lot more probation and diversion style agreements. I'll be honest with you. When it comes to working for the district attorney's office, I want the criminals to be convicted. But it doesn't mean they have to sit in prison for the next 20 years. I'm willing to work on probation offers. I'm willing to work on diversions especially for DUIs. Bring me a DUI for diversion. If it's a first offense, we'll make that cake. But yeah, no, first for a lot of things.
Good to know for one of my cases that are coming up, actually.
Oh yeah, wonderful. Just ask for them to assign Pearson to it. But again, it would be with the DUIs. Again, first offense. It'd be very similar, requiring a no contest plea up front, dismissal at the end. Obviously, any failed form of diversion, we'd have to go through a show cause, but...
Like, in terms of roleplay, how did you think that was?
Oh, we did the absolute best that we could.
Because I know, like, there's the court side, and then there's all these other people who don't know what the fuck it means.
Oh, no, you and I did... the absolute best that we could. The judges did just fine, and if any of the defendants or plaintiffs have any questions, they can reach out to me. Let me see. I can just plain talk at you because my stream is rolling, but I really don't care.
I didn't know.
Oh no, shit! This is no, it's fine.
Mark, if you're listening, I'm sorry, we fucked up.
Oh, Mark's in the comments right now.
Oh
but
shit!
he just asked for my browser history. So.
Oh no.
No, it's everything's gonna be okay.
Oh man, I didn't know you. I completely forgot. Actually, I knew you were streaming because I saw the preview, but I completely forgot about it.
No, it's totally okay. No, I think it was a lot of fun. It was definitely really messy. Sorry, you just asked me a question. I intended to respond to it. What did you just ask me?
I forgot at this. Oh no, I was like, because you and I have worked in law, and Steven has worked in law, and it's like we're looking at this. All three of us are looking at this, and we're like, oh, we fucked up. But like, we had last minute cancellations. We're working on cases that we don't even know the details of. We had to sidebar for a settlement agreement.
Oh my god, just for a sentencing. I was like, I could make all these recommendations, but you could object to them and like, oh, we already agreed to the sentence of discharge. You know, he's guilty, but no additional sanctions. And I was like, hey, make sure those guys get on probation though. I will be looking tomorrow. If they're not on probation tomorrow, I'm filing show cause.
What am I supposed to do?
As their attorney,
the judge ordered it.
As your attorney, just remind them that they have to enter that tag.
Oh, the Civs do that, right? Okay.
Yeah. We don't do that for them anymore. So I would just DM them, and be like, hey, real quick, make sure you put it on. Those cases will remain open in the court channel. For the diversion, that'll be open for 24 days. For the probation, that'll be open 20 days. Because that way, I'm serious. If I see something pop up, full send, we're going show cause at the next court date. I actually need to go take a look at their criminal history so I will know if they pick up anything new.
Yeah. I would post a report in the docket if you can.
Okay, I'll do that. That being said, obviously traffic tickets I don't give a fuck about. They just can't go out and commit new crimes. If they pick up 100 traffic tickets but never get arrested, I don't care.
That guy who threw money around and got found in contempt.
Oh my god. I saw that just as I was coming in. I was like, holy crap. Oh no, what I was going to tell you. Michael the case with Doug and the shooting, Michael was willing to just dismiss it today. And I was
Son
like,
of a bitch.
I was like, nah, I'm gonna get you some money. He's gonna hire his own attorneys. He's gonna go with Zane Ross and Associates, and then we're gonna be full disclosure. We're gonna be looking for $50,000 plus attorney fees, with no admission of guilt.
I was ready to throw hands in that courtroom with Kyle, and he's like, "I want to settle." I'm like, "Fuck."
Oh my lord.
I mean, like, sure, okay, no problem, but fuck, you know.
Which case was that for? Was that for the shooting? Is Kyle on that one?
He came in coverage counsel. It was Damien who's attached to it.
Oh, okay.
Bradford, I believe, is actually. I don't know if he's representing PD or if he's private counsel on that.
No,
I think he retained counsel. The plaintiff did, and then I got assigned as representing the state. So
I'm pulling it up right now to take a look. I don't remember. No, because I think. Damn, where'd that case go? There it is. Hang on. No, he took appointed counsel for both. So the ADA got appointed to represent the state, and then he took a representative. He took a public defender, and I think, yeah, no, Guiltyson is on that case, and then it's whoever Damien is. This is defense attorney. His public defender is assigned to the case, but. Yeah. I'm gonna file letter of representation from Zane Ross and Associates on that one. So Kyle is not standing. No, Kyle can't prosecute. So I'm gonna take Kyle's help on that one. It's gonna be me and Kyle working it as the plaintiff's attorney.
So you're taking over from Bradford. It's gonna be transferred over to Ross and Associates.
Yeah, that's correct.
Okay. All right, so he already talked about settlement with me on that a little bit, enough to know that I'd be willing to discuss settlement on the matter. However, again, I told Kyle that he made me an offer right now, like in my office. He made me an offer. While we were in recess, and I'm like, look, even if I send the offer through, I still need to confer with the council on it, because obviously they need to approve any settlement. No, in terms of monetary value, they need to approve the budgeting.
Right.
Obviously, I'll let you guys know if they want to go to court over it or not.
Okay.
Man, tonight was crazy.
Yeah, I know. I do have to get out there and go do some sheriff's office stuff. But, yeah, no, we can definitely get together later this weekend if you want to talk about any other cases in depth and see if we can smash something out. If we're in opposition of each other on any other cases.
Yeah, I mean, as far as my defense, I did pretty good today. I dropped 2 felonies and 2 misdemeanors.
Oh yeah,
from
absolutely.
clients, so I feel like I'll be getting a couple of phone calls in my future. The one guy was so pissed. My client was walking out of court, and the guy was like, "Are you fucking kidding me?"
Oh no, I heard that shit. I was like, "Oh, he's gonna be held in contempt." And I'm like, I mean, technically, I represent you as the victim, but I was like, "Come on, man, just relax."
Like, just calm down. Like, you made your bed, you slept in it. Like, and
exactly.
That was a settlement too. That was like the first settlement, and we're still working. I'm not going to keep you for too long. We're still working most of this shit out. So even though I kind of feel like from like the professional legal side, it was kind of a shithole. No offense.
Oh no,
I think we did the best we could. But
yeah, neither of us are actual attorneys either. I mean, there's only so much we can do here.
We could have prepped a little bit better, I feel like, but we had the fact that we had somebody couldn't come and we had to take over everything. I mean, I just wasn't ready. I didn't have arguments prepped. I didn't have, half the stuff I needed to. 0028. I just filed for continuance so Damien could deal with it.
I mean, I feel like the 2 cases that I was assigned, I was planning to represent. I think I did okay. Honestly, on the 0028, we were going to ask for a dismissal. If the dismissal was denied, we were going to ask for a set over anyway. So, but it's when you asked for a set over, I was like demanding a ruling on the dismissal.
I'm gonna request that they push the full settlement through on that one case. Because I get the judge can deny settlements, but he only denied one part of the settlement. And it was already, done for. And I mean, we're still learning just regarding settlements. That settlement was made with the sole discretion of the ADA and the PD. Counsel wasn't included, and as soon as we had a conversation with that, I don't think you were in that call, but we had a private mediation, and we have coverage now, so that way any settlement needs to get approved by coverage, the budgeting, and just monetary value. But anyway, I won't keep you. I just want to say, I made a whole bunch of talk about, we fucked up, but I just think it could have gone better, like realistically wise. Obviously, if this was a real courtroom, it would be like the craziest thing.
Oh yeah, no, absolutely.
But I think we're trying our best here with the court system, and overall, I mean, we're getting cases done. You know what I mean? It's not like, these cases aren't going nowhere. I mean, we're actively getting them settled, and charges are getting dropped. People are getting represented. We have coverage. We have defense attorneys. We have ADAs. We have people representing the state, the plaintiffs.
Well, and in the end, that's all it is. This is a role play community. We're doing the absolute best to embody these people and to do what we know. We do a little learning on the side. I mean, we're doing exactly what they can ask of us. And yeah, you're right. People are getting represented. Some cases are getting dropped. Some people are getting convicted. I mean, we're doing the absolute best we can here. I think it was great. I fucked up that diversion entry, too. I forgot to mention the whole community service. I was so glad you brought that up.
Yeah, I was helping you. I was like...
I was like, and the community service.
Well, I mean, it's already signed, It's not like it's going to go away. But anyway, I need to do some more work on these. I'm not going to do anything tonight, but...
yeah, I got to get there.
I'll leave you go do your sheriff's office stuff.
All right, well, I'll see you out there.
Me on a ride along.
Yeah, just put in for it, and for sure we'll do that.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, I'd be way more than happy to do that.
Oh, one more thing.
Mm-hmm.
I was walking into court, and my car's parked out there, and I walked right here, and the bailiff was right there, and was like, oh, you can let him in, he has an office here. And they thought that I was ADA, but I was loophole.
Oh,
and
God.
I was like, I walked in, I'm like, should I have left my rocket launcher at home? So.
I got my SO vehicle parked around back. I've got to go hit the locker room and change over. And it was a pleasure, man. I'll see you next time. Okay. Maybe in the future I can do a more fun and immersive transition between
3 Sam 58 Los Santos.
God, let's turn that radio down. Maybe I can do a more immersive role-play style change between the attorney characters and my law enforcement character, but we're all done with court. We did the absolute best we could. Let's get out there and do some cop shit. What do you say? 4 Henry 87 Los Santos 1041 10-8. Good evening. We need body armor.
Copy 1804.
All right. Happy freaking Friday. It's been a long one. I know I had a lot more viewers right around when the court started, but whoever's left now, howdy. All right, I'm all flustered. We just finished court. I'm trying to eat dinner. I'm trying to drive around, make some quality content here. I know I missed a shit ton of comments. We got 2 new subscribers during court. I see Andy. I see Sydney. I know Ben and Mark were here. But we're just doing the absolute best we can. But let's do it. Let's get out there. We'll be in the 4H area. Oh, can you guys hear my cat screaming at me? She can smell that I have a cheeseburger for dinner, and she wants the meat. Anyway, yeah, we'll get out there. We'll do the things we always do.
We're back today.
1806. Metro 363, Metro 466 status.
What code for?
Both units code 4 1806.
Like I said, I am trying to eat dinner here. I know I do it to you every time, but I couldn't do it at the beginning because, well, I was in court. So just sit tight. Let me have a little snack here, and we'll get out there and kick some ass.
Los Santos, Metro 584.
David 6-5, you turn back to Nate and build me a call for a follow-up for 7300 Mirror Park Boulevard.
Metro 363, you can show me back time.
Copy. Break Los Santos to Metro 584. Metro 584. Los Santos to Metro 259.
259.
259, can you do a check on Metro 584 not responding to traffic? Last update for location is 7248 Rockford Drive, break. Be advised, we also just had a call come in the same area that he was responding to at 7249 for an assault with a weapon. I will be attaching units to that call.
10-4 responding to 9386.
That was not a panic. Sorry, I said that with my mouth full. That was. You people know this. I don't know why I'm justifying it to you. It's definitely not a panic. That was a tone to get a deputy's attention.
New dispatch. Metro 363 for Henry 87. Respond 7249 Carcer Way for report of assault with weapon. 7249 Carcer Way.
4 Henry 87 received me, Rocco 3.
Area supervisors, did you acknowledge code 3?
Code 3 approved.
6-3, I'll be 76, code 3.
Copy 363 for Henry 87. Be advised, 911 caller says that suspect fled in a red gauntlet, fled westbound Carcer Way. Could be related to Metro 584's call. Nothing further.
87 received.
There's the 10-4.
Los 457.
Clear 10-8, check box for notes.
David 6-5, Los Santos.
Stand by 6-5. Four 757 and Los Santos copies. 9 David 6-5, go ahead.
You build me a call for a follow-up 7393 Mirror Park Boulevard.
Copy.
Metro 363, I'm on scene.
Copy.
Los Angeles Metro 259.
Metro 259.
10-4, I found 584. He's code 4.
Copy.
4 Henry 87, I'm 23.
Copy 4 Henry 87.
What's going on? So you called 911, are you hurt? Is anyone hurt?
Buddy? Hello?
Los Santos to Metro 259. Would
Yeah, we can hear you.
The call. You
We
can
can
go
hear
back
you.
10-8.
Lobby 10.
So you called.
1814.
Is anyone hurt?
Oh,
No, no one's hurt.
my must be broken.
We hear you just fine. You 84? Negative. Where's 84 at? He's code 4 right over there.
Alright,
Where's his fucking radio at?
I'm good now.
Okay, you can
I'm
hear
on
us?
him.
Yeah, I got you.
Got us.
Back.
You called 911, right?
Yes.
Is anyone injured?
No.
Were you attacked?
Yes, but I was able to get away.
Okay. I'm gonna check you really quick, make sure you're not stabbed, okay?
Okay.
Yeah. While
put
they
your-
looks at you, what's your name?
Just put your arms out, I'm just gonna do a wet check on.
DeMarcus Jones?
Los Santos, 7 Tom 47 traffic.
Mr. Jones, you know what the do you happen to know the assailant?
Yep.
Would
Yeah,
it
you can
happen
say
to
7 Tom
be-
47, go ahead.
Can you tell me who it is?
Danny Terrell?
Gonna be at 3045 Panorama Drive next to
said-
Yellow Jack on
Sorry, I'm
a
gonna turn the
white
radio down.
sports car.
You said Danny Terrell?
Stand by for 28.
Yep. That other guy said he already put a bolo out for him because he assaulted me earlier right out of court, and then he came back to try to do it again.
Drop Mike 5.
Okay. And what is your relationship with Mr. Terrell?
We had a case. He was the victim. I was the suspect. Other than that, I don't know.
Okay. Yeah, I was in the courtroom earlier. I heard the incident, so obviously I couldn't lead get anything, but I kind of figured as much. So okay. And you'd be willing to positively identify him, testify against him in court, and things of that nature?
Oh, absolutely, yeah.
Okay. And you want to press charges?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. We will do our best to locate that gentleman. Is there anything we can do for you here today? Are you okay? Do you want medical attention?
No, I'm good. Just give you the vehicle description.
Yeah. No, they did not. Go ahead and give me a vehicle description.
Red Gauntlet.
So is this like the that 2013 Gauntlet, or is it like the newest one, the Gauntlet Hellfire?
I would say all I seen was the back end of it, but I would say it's the newer one.
Talking to him right now.
Okay.
That's the,
Okay. Alrighty.
Okay.
Mr. Jones, we're gonna start investigating this, see what we can't do for you. Do you have a good phone number I can get in contact with you at?
Yeah.
Okay. Whenever you're ready.
Toledo 973, Adam 79, respond 1045.
It is 559 377 6170.
79.
Alrighty, we will keep an eye out for that gentleman. We'll get a bolo put out for him, and
3045.
actually might even just go ahead and put a warrant out for him. We'll get it all wrapped up for you. Is there anything I can do for you while I'm here?
Reports of harassment.
No, thank you.
Okay. Mr. Jones, I hope you have a much better rest of your night and be safe.
Yeah, I'll try.
Alrighty. Have a good night, sir.
Talk with the deputy about your vehicle.
Mm-hmm.
Fill me in what's going on. Who are we looking for?
So we're looking for a Danny Terrell. So, were you in court this afternoon?
No, sir.
Okay, well this will be fun for you. That gentleman, who is now a victim, was actually the defendant in a criminal case of attempted murder. It got pled down to like a battery or an assault charge with probation. The assailant, the person who just assaulted him, is his victim.
Oh, so they're just okay. I see.
Yeah.
That's interesting.
Looking for payback. So I'm just gonna put in for a warrant.
Yeah.
79 Los Santos.
Well, do we know it's him?
If they were inside the bar.
He gave, yeah, no, absolutely. He's positively identified him, willing to sign affidavits, willing to testify, wants to press charges.
Okay. I'm just making sure because it sounds like he might be trying to say some dumb shit in order to get the guy in trouble, you know?
Then we would get him for initiating a false report.
Right.
So,
Okay, well, sounds good. I'll be looking for him. What vehicle did he take off on?
It's a red gauntlet. If you give me 1 second, I'll get you a plate number.
Perfect, then I can put it in my reader.
Yeah, I'm gonna fire off a bolo here in a minute.
Am I good to go 10-8, by the way?
Oh yeah, I kind of showed up and took over, but I know you guys were also looking for a missing Metro deputy, so.
Yeah.
Yeah, give me 1 second here, Burner.
Copy 9166, stand by, building a call, and I'll get you a unit.
Metro 363, I'll be back to you.
363, copy.
Los Angeles 259, just fine with that.
Yeah, so it's a red gauntlet Hellfire. So it's like a.
Shots fired.
Oh,
Never mind.
shit. Yeah.
Copy, shots fired.
I might get ready. I can hold off on that
The
below.
alleyways 9120 Carson Ave, keeping a bit of a distance. He's still shooting at me.
5-7 row.
3-7 in route.
Five seven. What's the postal?
I had him last 9119.
8-7, you can clear me and route me if you need.
Is he running on foot or vehicle?
On foot, it's going to be a black and red hoodie. EMA.
Copy to confirm we have 6637 and 4757. Is anyone else on this call?
59.
Los Santos is Eagle 1 available.
Negative this time, Eagle 1 is not available. I can see if we can get it up.
Time before I lost him in this complex of houses at 9119.
6-6 from 5-7. I'll confirm you're not hit, correct?
A firm not hit.
To be very clear, we're going to finish all the paperwork and file the appropriate paper. I don't want to say paperwork twice. We'll finish all the paperwork and file the appropriate bolo and warrant for the assault suspect that just occurred. We have an officer under fire, so we're
Los
going to
Angeles
focus on
59
that.
skip 6 in area.
Copy 59.
Sounds like they may not need us, so we'll actually start heading back out to where we belong. But we want to be available for them.
Los Santos to X-ray 296, impound request 8160 Adams Apple Boulevard.
X-ray 296, you can show me 1076.
Five sevens, roll code 6.
Copy.
Which direction down Carson was he running?
Last seen running southeast.
9 David 6-5, is code 33 in effect?
Negative at this time.
10-4, you can show me back 10-8.
Oh yeah, no, I know exactly how those naps feel. They're, it's not the best.
Sounds like you went kind of north and east from where you're at, Brogue and McDonald, whatnot. I'm gonna start heading this way, hit this parking garage here.
10-4.
Extra 296, 1023.
Copy.
New dispatch. Stolen vehicle. Meteor Street. 7109.
Or Henry 87, I received that call being around.
Copy. 4 Henry 87, 4 Adam 91. Stolen vehicle 7109 Meteor Street, 7109 Meteor Street.
Tab 91 around 3052.
Four Henry 87, 4 Adam 91. RP advises that RP saw subject take his vehicle. Subject had a gun in his hand. However, he did not use the gun. Unsure of direction of travel. Break. Suspect is black and red hoodie. Again, unsure of direction. RP is Charlie Local.
Can we get a vehicle description and plate?
Copy. Ubermach Oracle SS. Plate is 09 Charlie Hotel Juliet 306.
8729 that plate? Or, pardon me.
Plate 09 Charlie Hotel Juliet 306.
Seven received me. Code 6 in the area.
Code 6 in the area, 1827.
Los Santos 5-7, that's going to be related to this call.
Copy 5-7. Four Henry 87, 4 Adam 91. Be advised that plate does not come back.
Receive.
10-4.
Los Santos 4 Sam 5-7.
4 Sam 5-7.
Can you start that 28 in our notes, please?
Copy. I'll add it to your call. Four Sam 5-7. That's now in the notes.
Copy, thanks.
Los Santos, Adam 9-1. Did they say that this is related to the shooting suspect at 9119?
Affirm.
10-4, is that where the vehicle is? If any officer or deputy down there can advise.
9-1 from 5-7. Sounds like the suspect ran from 6-6 and opened fired on 6-6. The stolen vehicle happened afterwards.
Okay, 10-4. We'll still be looking for this vehicle.
Three San 58 Los Santos. Attach me to this call at 10:45. Dulos Avenue.
Affirm.
XO 296, you can detach me from that call and show me on a abandoned vehicle.
Copy. What's your location for the abandoned vehicle?
8161.
Los Santos, Adam 9-1, 23.
Los Santos 4757.
4757.
I'll be out with 6-6 vehicle, intersection Popular and Vespucci 8182. He's got his lights on, crashed into a vehicle.
Copy.
Los Santos, Adam 9-1. I'm 23, per security guard on scene. There's a red vehicle that was abandoned. Subject was seen running northbound from the vehicle at 7109 Hawick. I'm gonna wait until we can get a couple in the area there.
Copy. Subject description one more time.
Security guard just said he saw a male subject running from the red car at 7109 northbound. No description given. I'll see if I'll advise.
Copy. Los Santos, do 4757. Do you need any additional assistance there?
5-7 standby. I'm not entirely too sure what I got going on.
Affirm.
Eight 7-291. I'm currently code 6 in the area looking for that subject.
Okay, me and 3-7 are out front here. We'll be clearing the inside of this complex. I'm trying to find the security guard. Eight 7, be advised the security guard is unarmed and in a light blue uniform.
Received.
Metro 58, Los Santos, Bolo sent your way.
Copy.
Los Santos 9-1, it'll be a black male adult. Possible red hoodie matching our suspect description. Again, last seen running northbound through the hotel here.
Copy.
Los Santos 5-7.
4757.
6-6 is going to be good. Believe 5-9 is to stick with him for an OIS. Where's 9-1 at? Does he need assistance?
9-1, we're on the south side of the apartment complex trying to clear out where the suspect was last seen, see if we can figure out a way out of here.
What's your pulse, 9-1?
7109 Meteor at the hotel.
8-7, I'm with them now.
You want to take that hard left?
Copy,
I'll
7.
creep up the wall.
Los Santos to Polito 973 Adam 79 or 3 Sam 58 status.
Your call.
Code 4 here.
Go. Copy code 4.
Chill Metro 259.
Sheriff's office, if you're inside, make your presence known.
Metro 259.
Jeff, I'll be on attack orange for a few minutes for this IS.
Copy.
Nobody. I don't see anybody.
57's 2391. Did you need me in the back or where you need me at?
Probably right here up in the front, south side. It looks like the subject could be in any one of these rooms. See if you can get permission from the security guard to start entering rooms.
Copy.
We cleared the last two. He looped around. He went into the pool. He went into the pool, and then I think he looped around. So he could be in here. Red hoodie, black male adult, armed with a pistol. Cover my back. Going right. Okay, good. Cover.
9157, you're good to go.
Okay, copy. We'll start up here at the top on the east side. Okay, I'll hold cover. You want to punch that door?
Okay. 57, I'll grab my shotgun, I'll be up.
Sheriff's office, make yourself known.
57, can you hold security on the 2 floors to the west?
Yeah, 10-4.
Sheriff's office, if you're in here, make yourself known. Do it now. Clear. Coming out.
And we're sure he's here, he didn't run out the back.
Security guard said he saw him run into the pool. Then there's a wraparound that you would only be able to come back into the apartment complex here. So my guess is he's still in here somewhere.
For Adam 91, when you guys begin searching, let me know if you'd like the air.
We haven't seen him right now. We are searching, but we're good right now. All advice.
Copy.
5791, I see a couple of roof access points as well. Keep your eyes peeled on that.
At 10-4. We got a pretty good visual unless he's up behind that concrete pillar.
8737 on the roof right now.
I don't got anything up here.
No. There is something he may have been able to jump on
clear.
One of those like Potter like things down there. He might have been able to hop that wall. I can't really tell though.
Yeah.
Jeremy, have we checked the car yet?
Yeah, Doug did.
Okay.
So he was seen last running right here on that, right there to your left.
Okay. I'm gonna try something.
Then it looped around here to the right. Yeah, watch that door right there to your right.
Yep, Jeremy. Yeah, I was right. You can hop this bitch.
Well, then he could be anywhere then.
Yeah. I mean, it doesn't hurt to finish searching.
875157, were you able to jump that wall?
87A firm. Yeah, you can jump this bitch. Check it
Let's
out.
get the rest of this cleared, but he might have jumped out.
Let's just clear it.
Just. Blue.
Clear.
Cool.
We got the other side if we want to do it.
Might as well. We're here.
Okay.
Don't leave work half done.
At 3-7, we're gonna start clearing. We'll take the top floor here on the side.
10-4.
Guys, watch the windows.
You good? Push it.
Yeah. Sheriff's office, if you're inside, make yourself known. Do it now.
Sheriff's office, inside, make yourself known.
Holding door.
Bedroom clear. Sheriff's office. Bathroom clear.
Clear. I got one behind me.
Blue with you.
Okay. Ready? You hold the door.
Go.
Sheriff's office, make your presence known if you're inside. Sheriff's office, make your presence known.
Santos County Sheriff's Office.
We will check everything. I promise you that. Sorry, I am really bad at responding to comments tonight.
I'm holding window. Go door.
Okay, Sheriff's office, if you're inside, make yourself known. Do it now.
Holding door.
7 Tom 47 4 Frank 68. Respond 9174 Jamestown Street for an MBA. 9174 Jamestown Street for an MBA.
7 Tom 47.
4 Frank 68.
7 Tom 47 4 Frank 68. You're responding to an MBA. RP advises individual ran over by a vehicle.
$20.
FD is en route, still obtaining further.
Yeah, you're probably right.
7 Tom 47 en route code.
4
Hey,
Frank 68.
I'm willing to put cash money on the fact that this dude's squashed
Copy
down the road is our guy.
You guys copy the code 3?
Where's it at?
It's 7-1 something. It's just down the road. Let me get that again.
I thought it was 9-1 something. 9174.
That's what I thought he said. 9174.
3 out
Am I
of
dyslexic
79
as
traffic.
I don't know. I'm gonna go get a.
Let me ask.
I'm gonna go get a. Is that
3
a,
Adams,
is that a stolen car though?
Stand by.
Yeah, it's stolen.
Yes,
yeah.
but the plate is
Okay.
wrong. The plate we were given was 306. That's got 305 on it.
Or Henry 87. Could you repeat the location of that individual hit by a vehicle?
It's the red Ubermacht Oracle. That's it. It's just
I'll go
the
get it.
plate.
9174 Jamestown. 9174 Jamestown.
Los Santos Adam 91 for your SA. The apartment complex here is all clear.
Copy. Break. 7-9, go ahead with your traffic.
3-7, where you at? Come back. He's saying he took the ladder up here to the left.
Three Adam 7-9.
7-9. It's going to be 1052 Polito Boulevard on a motorcycle.
Okay.
One
3, 2,
individual
1.
on board.
Big opening. Sheriff's office, make your presence known.
I've got right.
Sheriff's office, if you're up here, make yourself known.
Metro 584, I'm
Blue,
clear
blue,
tonight.
blue.
Did you also copy my ballet?
Okay, I'm pushing.
A4 copy.
Got a ramp opening to your left. Building. Got that covered?
Got it.
I'll check the ramp. Sheriff's Office, if you're up here, let us know now.
All units, stand by for a bolo.
Clear on my side. Watch your left, Doug. To your left.
All Los Santos units, be on the lookout for a red gauntlet. Registered owner comes back to a Danny
check door.
Terrell.
I don't think it works. But...
known to be a violent crime suspect. Known to be armed. Last
Hey,
seen
that's
in
one
the
of our
area,
bolos done. We don't have to worry
7249
about.
Crosser Way. If vehicle or individuals located, please contact Metro 584. Bolo aired, 1844.
Three Adam 79, Los Santos.
He could have
Three
ditched
out of
into
10.
any of these alleys.
Yeah, he's gone.
We
He's
have a
long
10
gone.
unit available for FS2s.
All right. That sucks.
Negative this time, we do not.
Is there an available supervisor?
There's a ramp right here. He's probably long gone.
Oh, fucking fuck.
5879 direct. I'll be right down there with you. 97 direct. Hook him up.
He's long gone.
Oh, we just came to the same conclusion.
Yep, he's fucking long gone.
No.
Yeah. Is there someone down
Hook him
hallway,
up.
Dan? Somebody get eyes down there. I don't know if I'm. Is that something moving?
3 Adam 79, 3 Sam 58 will respond as soon as he clears out of current hall.
700 copy direct.
Los Santos 7 Tom 47. Myself 6-8 will be on scene.
On ground. On ground.
Copy.
On far right. Could have been local. It was probably a local if it was a long distance. Damn,
Los
he's
Angeles
gone.
Metro 259.
People hiding. People can't hide in dumpsters.
10-4, sir, you can clear
Not
me
to my knowledge.
10-6 just for a minute.
Can't in that one anyway.
Copy Metro 2.
He probably ran around. If he went up that ladder, he went down that ramp, and he's long gone.
Oh yeah. So actually, all of our paperwork has resolved itself. We located this car. We'll leave this to a Metro unit, I believe, and someone else actually was in the process of filing that bolo originally. Oh my goodness, I'm tired already.
Yeah, looks like he.
Exit 296.
Can I get your first and last name?
Copy.
Sure,
Metro
it's
296.
Michael Collins.
Los Santos Metro 466.
Metro 466.
Can you please start EMS to 8047 Mission Row?
That was 8047 Mission Road.
10-4.
Is this a hotel or an apartment? I think okay, and you observed a black male adult.
Los Angeles Metro 259 on 10 sir.
Los Santos to Metro 466.
6-6.
What's the nature of the medical call?
It'll be a graze wound on myself. I didn't realize at the time, but I just noticed it.
Copy. Was that from the gunshot?
Affirm.
Copy. Will you be outside or where will you be?
Yeah, 10-4. I'll be right at the entrance on Vespucci Boulevard.
Copy.
Metro 584 traffic.
Stand by 584.
Hey, Jeremy, you need anything else from me?
I'm gonna process the vehicle. That's essentially all I got.
All right, man. I'll see ya.
Black
584. Go ahead.
It's more of a black hoodie with red accents.
Gonna be northbound Palomino.
I gotcha. All right.
72, 71 on a white two-door sport car. Copy plate when ready.
Go ahead with your 20.
85 Lincoln Frank Mary 568.
I copy 85 Lincoln Frank Mary 568.
Or Henry 87. Let me clear this call. Denny.
Copy 87.
9 David 65 Los Santos.
9 David 65.
Can you rate me a call for a follow-up? 7090, standby for room name.
Copy.
4 Frank 68 to Los Santos.
4 Frank 68.
Show me a route to pillbox.
Nine David 65. It's going to be on Vespucci Boulevard.
Copy 68. 65 copy.
Five 791 drive.
5-7.
Do we have a David unit that can respond here to 7109?
You can request one. That's fine.
Los Santos, Adam 91. Do we have a David unit free?
Negative this time we do not. 9 David 65 is on a follow-up call.
10-4. How about an X-ray unit to assist with the vehicle?
Copy. As soon as X-ray comes available, I can route them.
Los Angeles Metro 259.
Metro 259.
10-4, send me out at 8048. I'm giving medical attention to the deputy here until EMS arrives.
Copy.
Metro 363, I'll be back. 10-8.
Copy Metro 363. Metro 363, respond 8219 Bay City Ave for motor assistance.
God, oh my God, what's going on, Angel? How are you? I can't speak English today, man. It's a whole shit show out here.
Bay City Avenue for motor assist. RP advised below entire. Subject description is a blue muscle car, golden rims. Nothing further.
No, I don't know, man. After court and everything today, my brain is just shot. Okay, if I can recall, I don't think we have any paperwork to handle from those last couple of cases, so we're going back in service right now. We bounced around kind of hectically. I'll go back afterwards and make sure I don't owe anybody paperwork. But for now, we'll go back. We're fully in service. We're available for calls, and we will remain so. Ooh, I don't know. There really is nothing better than, like, I'm not gonna lie, having a cold, especially during, like, the fall and winter time. It's kind of okay. You get to just lay in bed, you get to be warm, eat your nice warm foods, and just fucking relax for a little bit. It's kind of nice, I'm not gonna lie. But you are still sick, so I know the feels.
We'll be telling a vehicle possibly connected to a case. Plate's gonna be 94 X-ray Whiskey Echo 259 regular gauntlet.
Copy. I have that in your follow-up notes.
Metro 363, I'll be on soon.
1855.
4.68, I'll be appeal box.
Copy 4.68. The notes.
.766 direct. Metro 363 Santos.
Metro 363.
Do you have any extra units available?
Negative this time. X-ray 296 is 10-6.
Can you route me 2 times county tow to my location? One for a green pickup and the other for a black muscle car.
Copy. Be advised that would be county tow ETA for first tow for Mike.
Yeah, I just realized that. Thank you.
Los Santos, Fort George 86 traffic.
10.86.
.766 direct.
Fort George 86, go ahead with your traffic.
Fort George 86 gonna be westbound East Joshua Road 3010 on the blue 4-door SUV, probably 21 ready.
Go ahead with your 28.
28 is gonna be Nora, Ocean, Sam, Nora, Ida, Tom, Charles, Henry, as in no snitch, all advice.
Copy.
Nine David, 6-5 Los Santos. I'm gonna be following the vehicle, not towing it.
Oh. Copy. Meyer, following vehicle.
Okay. Alright. I'm pulling over here. I don't know. We got a couple of viewers.
For an update for no.
Again, apologies. It's been a very hectic night after court, coming on duty, getting sent to a call, getting sent to another call, clearing myself. People did my paperwork for me. I'm just all sorts of tired right now.
Clear by Penny.
Copy, Toledo 97, 1858.
Metro 584, I'm clear, code 410.
Copy, Metro 584.
3 Adam 79, clear me off that call, be back 10-8.
Copy, break, 3 Sam 58, status.
I'm saying traffic, big show tonight.
9 David 6-5 with a unit, and the quantum B is next to the taco shop. You can move, you're going to spook him.
I believe that's 4 Henry 87, 6 5. Seven Tom 47, 4 Frank 68 status.
Code 4.
Copy both units, code 4. Break 4 Adam 91, 4757, 1 Lincoln 37 status.
Adam 91 and 57 are still on scene, code 4.
3-7, I'm clear. You can show me 10-8.
Copy 1 Lincoln 37, 10-8, 1900.
Los Angeles Metro 259 on 10 as well.
Copy Metro 259.
For Henry 87, I'm at 4020. Have eyes on a gray gauntlet with a license plate coming back to having an active bolo filed tonight.
9 David 6-5 to that unit. Yeah, 10-4, I'm surveilling him right now. Don't initiate.
Received, I'll be on my way.
Los Santos copies.
I do apologize. I'm gonna have to call it there, y'all. I don't know what it is. It might be from work today. It might be from doing court RP. I'm really tired. I'm gonna go park up at the station. Unless we get a call, we're gonna head over to the sheriff's office, and I gotta call it a night. We'll be back on Sunday night. Sunday nights are always nice and busy, but yeah, no, I'm just
Metro 360.
I'm dying right now, y'all.
You can show me back tonight.
Copy. For George 86 status.
Go for it.
1903.
Holy crap, I see we're up to 158 subscribers, and I know that we were at, I think, 151 or 153 when we started tonight. Good lord, 158 people. Once we hit 100, we just kind of started blowing up. Thank you to anybody that came out and subscribed tonight. I know there were 2 notifications. I was in court and didn't get a chance to acknowledge you personally. thank you to anybody that came out and subscribed. I really appreciate it. I'm sorry that we didn't do much law enforcement stuff tonight. Like I said, I'm just dead, man. End of the week. It's Friday. But Sundays are usually pretty busy, so we'll be back live on Sunday night for another edition of SLRP on patrol. As usual, we're gonna slow roll it back to the sheriff's office, which is just, you know, less than a minute away, and we'll go off duty unless we get sent to a call or.
I'm gonna mark unit down here 3052 Sonora Freeway. I'm gonna attempt to stop
Well,
this vehicle.
this is probably gonna be a call for us, so.
Copy that as 3052 Sonora Freeway.
Break, he's taking off, heading northbound, Sonora Freeway, 3052.
Copy. Would you like the air?
Continuing northbound, Sonora Freeway, 2049.
Copy. Code 33 in effect. I'll get you some units here.
George 86, I'm clear.
Six five. What's your current?
Just now passing the fire department, 2047 East Joshua, now making a right onto CV Road.
Copy. 4 George 86 4 Henry 87. I'm gonna attach it.
87. I'm second that pursuit. I'm about to pass our unmarked.
Copy 87.
87. I have primary in the pursuit.
Copy 87. Can I get a current?
2041 turning on a Great Seed Ave.
2041 turning on Grape Seed Ave. Copy.
Rear, closing.
86, I'm third.
Just made a left onto a dirt road, 2038, heading up towards the farmhouse.
Copy. 2038 headed towards farmhouse.
Hands right now!
He's on foot, he's heading inside.
86, I'm gonna go around back of the house.
87. This is barricaded suspect. Get us additional units and SWAT if you have them.
Copy. Final stop 2038. Is that correct?
2027 Union Road at the large farmhouse. I believe the suspect had a long rifle.
Come on, man,
Copy.
you don't want to do
We're gonna
this!
get you some more units.
Six five. Do we have someone around back?
86, I'm holding the back.
1 Lincoln 37. I'm attaching to this call.
10-4, I'm on scene.
Oh, it's always something.
3 Sam
We can't
58.
do that, man.
Could you
Come
respond?
on.
Also attaching to this call.
Show me a route.
You have eyes on him?
Copy en route, and it will be
Yeah, the last time I
2027
saw him, he
Union
was in
Road,
that window
large
dead
farmhouse.
ahead of us.
Break. 1 Lincoln 37 or 3 Sam 58. Do we have SWAT available?
Oh, I've got him.
Come on, man, just give up. Come on, you don't want to do this. You're making it a lot worse on yourself.
Los Santos, 7 Tom 47. I can get SWAT available and set up.
Copy 7 Tom 47. A7 is requesting SWAT at that location. 2027 Union.
And 87, I have eyes on the subject. He's inside, appears to be holding what looks to be a long rifle in his hand. He's in the first window to the left of the main door.
Copy.
Three Sam 58. Can I get that postal again?
2027 Union Road. 2027 Union Road.
Yeah, I do. He's right here.
Copy.
4 Henry 87. I don't know if you copied 7 Tom 47's traffic. He's gonna mobilize SWAT.
Received. Thank you.
$6-5. The believed identity on the suspect's gonna be a Tim Roberts. Come on, Tim. Just give it up, man. You don't want to do this.
Los Santos copies.
Give me a little room. I'm gonna maneuver this car better. Get my takedowns pointed right at him. So if you want to get back to the truck over there.
Yeah, you cover me while I move.
Go.
Out of the unit in the back. You stole code 4 over there.
8-6, affirm.
And 8-7 for information. We still have eyes on him.
Tim, come on, talk to me, man. How can we resolve this without anybody getting hurt?
8-16, it's in the front. Have you guys started commands?
A for him. We're attempting to communicate with him now.
$6-5, he's still refusing to come out of the house. Multiple commands given. Look, just come out with your hands up. Tim, you're making this a lot worse, man. Just come out. I don't want anyone to get hurt tonight. That's not what we're here for.
4 Henry 87. Would you like medical staged?
A firm, actually just stage them at their fire station down the road.
Copy.
Don't start pointing that thing. Come on, Tim. Think about this.
Hey, I'm not giving him another chance. 8-7, he's pointing the weapon at us.
3-7, I'm set up with a long gun. If I get a clear shot, I'll take it.
Man, we can't let you go. We both know that. We both know what you've done already. Just come out. Nobody has to get hurt. Do we got an ETA on SWAT?
7 Tom 47. Do you copy direct?
Yeah, I just had a slight code zero accident. Stand by on that.
10-4. You still got eyes on him over there?
I can see the barrel of what looks like an AK. And 8-7 for information. I can confirm he has a long rifle, looks like an AK style rifle.
Copy 4 Henry 7.
Come on, Tim. Just give it up.
Metro 259, 7 Tom 47.
Go ahead.
Copy, are you on scene?
Negative, I'm still down in the city.
Copy, is 6-5 available to do negotiations? If not, I'm going to want you attached to this call.
Negative, he is not. I can be around.
A-frame, expedite.
Metro 259 Los Santos copies direct. It's going to be 2027 Union Road. 2027 Union Road.
10-4 and Rocco 3.
Y'all's move. I'm not going down without a fight, so choose carefully.
8-7, he's shouting about not going down without a fight here.
SWAT's on scene, rolling up, blacked out. We're going to stand by and see if you'll negotiate with 5-9.
Copy SWAT on scene, standing by. Okay. Probably goes without saying, but I do the car accident first over the drag racing. Okay.
Hot mic.
You saw that he moved, right?
Hey, come over here, come over here, come over here. Use the up armored vehicle.
Hey, he's been aiming that rifle at us.
Don't worry. Dennis, just hide behind cover for now. We have Overwatch and the hill over here, so don't worry.
Yeah, he's definitely got an AK.
Dennis, grab another plate, and then plate carrier, and grab a helmet, and then I want you to grab the shield.
Okay, we'll do.
Actually, yeah, grab the shield for now.
Pardon me while I do that.
Yep. And then, if you need a plate carrier, swap plate carrier, go ahead and grab one as well, Dallas. It's under the division's manual handbook. The multicam ones you should see.
Los Angeles 5 minus 23.
Copy 59.
Just keep everyone behind the truck for now. You want to start trying to give your commands. These two over here are going to be getting plate carriers from my truck and helmets. So they're good to go in case they go in.
Okay. We wouldn't be able to get them. Let me try to get a phone ping in.
Yep, no. Go back. Yep, that one. That one's got the cameras on it. Not that. That's the preacher one.
I can't see anything.
You're good. It's.
Alright, I'm pinging his phone now. See if I can get him to talk.
There you go. Yep, that one, Dennis. All right.
Hey, sir, who am I talking to? Mr. Tim Roberts. So I'm John Gates from the Sheriff's Office. So how are we doing today?
Well, since y'all are here, not that good.
Okay, so So just tell me a little bit what's going on. Like, what are you needing?
I'm not needing anything. I'm just needing out of here with y'all. With y'all not going to the hospital today.
So you just want to get out of here and just not go to the hospital, huh?
You can grab a rifle.
Well, I mean, sir, the best way for that to happen is just drop your weapons and then come out with your hands up. Can we do
Oh
that?
no, I'm not going to be going down without a fight. It's y'all's choice.
Oh, you're not going down without a fight? I mean, I'd rather not do that. I mean, it sounds like you want to live. Is that right?
It's not much anymore.
Well, I mean, you said you wanted to get out of here and go to the hospital, so I'm just.
Well,
you know,
I want to get out of here I want to get out of here without putting anybody in the hospital.
So you say, so you're not really wanting to shoot anybody or put anybody in the hospital, and it does sound like you want to live.
I won't.
So how about, hey, look, we're all down here. You're safe. Nothing's going to happen to you. Okay. So why don't you just lay down your weapons? Is it just you in there? How many people are in there? Is it just you?
Dennis and Tim, you guys are gonna come with me. Dallas, you're gonna stay here and be our eyes and ears.
Gotcha.
Okay. We're gonna go around the back.
Sir, can you hear me?
Okay.
Put your shield up. Yep, there you go.
Sir, are you able to hear me?
6-5, all units be advised, subject just hung up on negotiations. Let's go out further.
Right here, I just saw him through the window. So he's not in this room, but I can see him moving.
Forgot shotgun shells.
Okay, that's unfortunate. Oh, he's right there. He's right there at the window.
There, stay there. You're good.
He's walking back to the front. He's walking back to the front.
Be advised, he's walking back to the front. We just had eyes on him back here at the back window.
6-5 copies. I'll let you know if I got eyes.
Yeah, he's still walking in the foyer. I can barely see him. Yeah.
Is he pointing a weapon?
6-5, yeah, I got eyes on him.
Looks like
Front
he's
of the house,
shifting it. I think he
around,
has aimed it and put it back
still on the
down
phone.
several times.
5-9, you want to attempt to call him again?
5-9's having contact with him again.
Which channel are we on?
Orange, just normal. Let's try moving actually to orange tech.
Okay, I see him. He's coming towards us again. He's on the phone. He's right here at this window.
6-5-7.
5-7.
Can we get those units attack channel, please?
Door, door, door. Door.
I see him.
I don't know if he saw us. He's still walking around inside again. He's actively on his cell phone.
6-5 on orange tack.
SWAT team's on orange tack. Looked like he attempted to open the door back here.
Three Sam 5-8 on the orange tech.
George 86 on orange tech.
Alright, let's move slowly towards that left side of that door over there to the left side.
Copy.
Six 5, I've got eyes on him in the front. He's pacing back and forth.
I have a clear line of shot through that window.
Let us know if negotiation fails. We'll move in and breach.
6-5, he just hung up on 5-9.
I'm gonna try one more time.
6-5, he just started aiming the gun at me. He's on the front side in the kitchen. It looked like he's walking back towards the back of the house now.
Yeah. Bang him.
Alright, SWAT, he's not willing to negotiate. He's hung up on me
Roger.
now. He's not picking back up. You can go ahead and go in.
Sheriff's office, drop the gun, drop the gun, drop the gun now!
Six 5 units inside. What's your status?
Drop that fucking gun right now!
Drop the gun.
He went left. Units in the back, watch it. He may move to the left-hand side.
86 copies.
Got left, got left.
He may move upstairs. Watch that as well.
No eyes, no eyes.
Cover.
I believe he's upstairs. I heard a door upstairs.
I think I hear him walking. I hear footsteps.
Hold right here at the corner. There's something right there. Hold here. Hey, Tim, you want to come up over here? Watch the stairs with him.
I'm gonna crouch down.
I got eyes on the top of the steps from this angle.
I can hear him thumping around up there.
Six 5 to the units inside. You still got eyes on him?
Stand by.
Taken.
Dennis, move up a little bit. Watch it, Tim.
Be advised, Los Santos is monitoring TAC.
Well, just a tad bit more.
5-9 copies.
Right side. Left side. He moved to the left. He moved to the left.
He's down. He's down. He's down. Sheriff's office, don't move. Get your hands out. Get your hands out. Do it right now.
All right, Dennis. What I want you to do is place that shield hard on top of him.
Alright, alright.
All right, here we go. Stay down. Stay down. Stay down.
Going hands on, Tim.
Got you covered.
I will advise I probably need a medic that did something to my head.
860 units inside the house. Status.
8-7. We have 1. 10-15.
Stage medical.
How you doing?
Copy, we already have medical stage advised when they are clearing and also of injuries.
All right. Copy. He's complaining of a headache at the moment. We'll be looking at him shortly.
Copy, is medical cleared in yet?
Stand by. We got to clear the rest of this building. You want to clear the rest of it with Tim?
Yep, we'll do.
Excuse me.
Yes, while he started on the phone, there was one. It was just him.
This is a rifle right here. I'm just gonna leave it for now.
Units outside.
Where you at, Tim?
Out to the front with one individual.
I'm clear.
Okay, you want me to drop the shield or keep it up for you?
You can keep it up.
Alright.
We'll go across the hall.
Sheriff's office, if you're in here, make yourself known. Do it now. Bathroom, destroyed wall, visibility to the next room.
Clear.
Left or right?
I'll go left.
Sheriff's office. Balcony.
Bathroom's clear. Balcony's clear.
Alright, last room across.
Sheriff's office, make yourself known.
Units inside, myself and 3-7 will clear the rest of the bottom floor.
We all clear up here?
Yeah. Yeah, looks good.
8-7 received. Top floor clear. All clear. Alright, that is his AK lane right there. Blue coming down. Blue coming down.
Sheriff's office, anybody in here, make yourself known. Los Santos Sheriff's office.
Clear.
Ooh, that didn't sound good.
Flashbang in the basement.
Oh, okay.
And bitches are loud.
Bottom is clear for the stairs.
Bathroom to the left clear. Large opening right. Additional large opening left.
Kitchen area clear.
We're good. We got the downstairs.
Yeah, it looks good.
Los Santos, 7 Tom 47. The building is clear. You can go ahead and release the air.
Copy. Building clear. Air release. Did you still want to stay on Orange Tack, or did you want to move back to Orange North?
Copy. We'll be moving to Orange North.
Copy. All stations on TAC move to Orange North. Move to Orange North. Is medical cleared in at this time?
Affirm.
Copy.
And I'm.
Are you guys okay?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Good.
Yep.
Good. Excellent.
I'm not gonna lie. I bounced the first stun flashbang off the shield, then it came back at us.
Oh yeah, no, I wasn't
It's
expecting to
fun
have to
seeing-
deal with that.
It was fun seeing stars for a while.
Still can't hear right out of my left ear, but I'll forgive you this time.
Oh, I was fine, but okay.
Oh, well, it must be nice to be you.
Yeah, you know, I have my hearing protection. You know, you could have grabbed one with the.
Well, nobody tells me these things.
I mean, yeah, typically the Marines, you gotta give them a whole list to grab.
He got you there.
Well, I ignored a packing list. It said bring all your wet weather gear to Arizona in August. But like, that's just fucking stupid. We got hit with the back end of a hurricane that flooded the desert. I'm not even kidding. And there I am, soaking in my fucking utilities.
And they do get monsoons.
Well, I'm Marine Corps. That's the only excuse I have. Oh, yeah.
Well, Sergeant, you just want me to get an AAR for this?
I'll get the AAR.
Okay.
Oh, if you want to do it for the negotiation, yes.
Yeah, for the negotiation, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Did anyone need anything from me? I was actually heading home when I got this call.
Don't listen to him. He's gonna run with it.
Who was first on scene?
Whoever was in the. I mean, technically speaking, I was technically.
Well, let me
me.
say this. Let me discuss it with your area supervisor.
I don't even know who that is. I'll have to find out. Yeah,
is Austin still on?
Yeah, I believe it's Austin's our supervisor.
Hey, Corporal. Hey, Corporal.
Hey, good evening, gents. What do we have going on?
Well, that was fun.
A lot going on over here.
It is a lot. Hey, John. How you doing?
Don't forget to take the ammo out for the shotgun.
Okay.
Thank you. I just had to throw away the hat tonight.
Alright. I'm just gonna take a quick look at you, get your vitals, and we're gonna get you on the road, alright?
Can you please make sure to return to the plate carrier and
I'm sorry?
the rifle, the ammo comes out of it.
Okay, one minute.
Just about to do that.
Alright, did you have fun with it?
I can throw something. Alright.
Yeah, we got a lot of processing to do, and I got to question this scumbag, but
I'd like if the officer right next to me here could keep an eye on him. We
got you. You gotta
he's
remain
the head
respectful.
honcho of the outbreak and the poison, and
From now on, I'm sorry, ma'am.
he's getting,
That's alright.
he's getting a count of arson, 2
literally
counts of
spit in my
homicide,
face. So you're not the
Okay.
worst patient I've
Fling
ever had to
evading,
do with.
so-
That's alright.
Yeah,
I
this
just need you
sir
to calm down.
Okay, that's good to.
Let
Oh!
me know. I'll put him down. I'll put him
It's got a
down.
reverse camera.
Oh, the Elio at the time where I took care of it. That's alright.
Hope you guys had fun
Glad
with
you
it.
got
Have
him.
you been ready, Rex? Yeah.
Not yet, but if
Appreciate
you
you guys' help.
Okay. So you have
Did
the
you
right
get a
to
weapon
remain
inside at all?
There's an AK on the stairs still. It was never secured to my knowledge. I can go back and grab that.
You want to go grab it for him and put it in a box?
Yeah, let's do that.
Thank you.
let me just take a quick look and see if I can. Oh, I'm sorry. You had a bit of a mistake. I heard they had a layer.
Don't even apologize. You did the right
It was a mosquito.
Yeah, I would agree. Don't apologize. Do you want the AK?
Hey, unless you guys need me, I'm gonna head back down to Metro.
Yeah, I'm going back up to Polito. You guys have a good night.
Unless you need me, I'm gonna go home.
Stay safe, gentlemen.
Let me just see if I
Did
can
you lock your car?
Who needed the AK?
I also
Is it you? Did you want the AK?
In the ambulance, if you
No, I believe you gave it to Dallas.
Where the fuck's Dallas at?
I'm just checking.
He's in his truck.
I don't see anybody in the damn truck. Fucking Dallas.
Hey y'all, we're
Yes,
doing
sir.
alright here. He has some external cuts that the LEO already treated.
Trying to find Dallas, give him his damn AK.
Put it in the back of
Alright,
his
sir,
truck.
do you want to go down to the hospital today?
Alright, we'll do.
Your ears seem to be bleeding.
Yes, sir.
I don't see any specific cause.
10 for
But
Metro,
I can
25,
get you some-
2599.
Yeah, I'm checking his eyes right now.
3758.
Redness or
Show me.
strain or...
10-8.
Did you
Headed
at
back
all
to Polito.
lose consciousness or hit the ground?
Definitely.
When the group had been off? Okay. Can you tell me where you are right now, sir? Do you know where you are?
Oh, wonderful. I was trying to find your email address. Hey, in the bed of your truck here, box C like Charlie,
Okay.
under
and,
the
do you know what day it
armor
is?
vests, that has the subject's AK in it.
I appreciate it.
No problem.
Or what month it is as well?
4 Henry 87. Clear me from this call, but 10-42-10-7. Have a great night. Thank you.
487, 10 forward, 10 7, 10 42.
Okay. Okay, I don't know, that's super weird. My Streamlabs looks busted over there. We're clear out here. I have a massive headache. I'm very tired. Had lots of fun. Thank you to anybody that came out. We'll see you guys in the next edition of SLRP on Patrol. Have a great rest of your night. Enjoy your Saturday and be safe.
Nine David 65 Los Santos.
Go ahead, 9 David 65.
We got an extra unit of it.
Negative.
And for, can you throw me the next time on 51 for gray and color